queens, I'm gonna ask y'all not to judge me because I'm back with 2 more pieces from the Loved Leather collection. So let's get into it. Hey, I'm Dre and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you know me, you know that I like what I like, but I'm allergic to full price. If that sounds like you, go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you know whenever I upload new videos. But let's get into it today. I have an unboxing. Well, I guess I should say a mini haul. I have 2 pieces and I believe I have finally wrapped it up. These will be the last 2 pieces that I grabbed from this Loved Leather collection. One of them is going to shock y'all though, because it's not a piece that I've talked about at all. So we're going to open the first one. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So this one came directly from the Coach outlet and it was shipped in this, which y'all know I don't like these mailers, but for this particular piece I think it was okay. So I had already told y'all that I was going to get, well, that I had ordered the Andre barrel bag 24 in the Love Leather. So this is what this is. And I know I showed y'all this piece in the store, but my outlet on drop day did not have the Love Leather version of this bag. But this is definitely one of those sleeper pieces that I encourage y'all to check out in the men's section. Even if you don't like the Love Leather, they had a really nice olive. They have this in black. So this is definitely a piece worth checking out. And the 24 size is only $139. So you can't beat that. And this is a nice size piece. So again, this is the smaller of the 2. This is the 24. But if you just get a good close-up of this, you can see that the branding is very minimal. You just have Coach kind of stamped into the leather there. And let me get all of this tape and stuff off so we can get a look at hardware and everything else. So y'all know with these Loved Leather pieces, the hardware is silver. And this is no exception. So may as well get all of this stuff off because she's not going back. So this Andre comes with a really nice wide, I know this is going to be comfortable, web strap. You have a thick silver, buckle here to adjust. It does have Love Leather trim all the way across the strap to the other end. And then this has also like a little charm hook. You could put like maybe a coin pouch or a charm or something on here if you want it. Really nice strap. And then y'all know with the Coach, with the hardware, how they put the branding on this little thing. And there's also branding up under here, but y'all ain't gonna be able to see that. Well, maybe. But you can see the Loved Leather here and here. And here. So the inside is just that plain black interior. There is a snap pocket behind the Coach Creed or story patch. There's still stuffing in here, so let me go ahead and open this pocket. And all of the Coach stuff is inside of the pocket, along with these little annoying security tags that I try to remember to take out before I take these bags outside, be setting off all kind of alarms. But anyway, this is the first piece. And again, this is the 24 size. This is the smaller of the 2 Andre sizes, but still a really nice size bag. I didn't take my phone case off of here, but this absolutely does fit a regular size phone. You could put your phone. It probably would even fit a larger phone, but you can definitely put, I have an iPhone 15, just the regular one, and it fits in here with plenty of room. I can probably get that in, my key, my regular key holder. I would need to switch that out, a card case, maybe even like a small half wallet, a couple lippies. So this would definitely hold everything that you need. Really cute, and I think at $139 this is a great price for this piece. So I'm glad that I was able to add this to my collection. If it's not sold out, I'll make sure to link it just in case y'all are interested in checking it out. So let's get on to the second piece. Now this second piece came from Amazon. Let me grab it real quick. Rewind. So I didn't give the Andre all of its glory because I forgot to mention that it does come with a smaller like shoulder strap. So you have the really nice thick wide web strap, but then you also have a short shoulder, so this bag can be worn a couple of different ways. So I'm gonna go ahead and put both of the straps inside of the bags. I don't need all of that extra stuffing. I don't really feel the need to have my bags like super stuffed when I store them. So I didn't put any of the stuffing back in here. I just put both of the straps in. That's stuffed enough for me. This is a nice squishy leather, so I'm not really worried about whether or not it'll keep its shape. There's still some structure on the sides with the piping. So this bag is ready to store. Okay, so let's go back to the second piece now. So this piece came from Amazon, like I said. So this piece came from Amazon, like I said, and it is in a box. But I've already opened the box just because I wanted to take a peek. Both of these pieces came yesterday, and I was just too busy to film the unboxing. So I have been waiting to get into these packages, and I woke up this morning, had my coffee, and washed my face, threw on a shirt, and came down here so that I could get into these pieces because I'm excited about seeing them in person. So this next one is one that I've looked at for quite a while. I didn't even know it was still available actually because, well, let me just show y'all. So it does come in all the original factory wrapping, even though it came from Amazon. But y'all, this is one that I've looked at numerous times and just never pulled the trigger. And I thought that my chances to get this piece brand new were long past because this piece hasn't been available. Like Coach hasn't had this piece in I don't know how long. But just like I was talking about in my last video with these other retailers having more Coach than Coach, this was an example of that. And I was actually on Amazon looking for another Coach bag and saw this one and decided to go ahead and order it. I'm 65% sure that I'm gonna keep it, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off all the wrapping. If I decide not to keep it, I mean, it is what it is. Amazon is pretty good about returns as long as I don't wear the bag or anything like that. But y'all, I've been on this loved leather kick, so I went on ahead and ordered the Tabby 26 in the loved leather. So the Tabby is probably one of my favorite, if not my very favorite, Coach silhouette. It's just such an easy and convenient bag to carry. And I really don't have as many Tabbies as I should, considering how much I like them. But I really like the loved leather, and I decided since this piece was available in the loved leather that I would order it and just see how I like it in person. So I want to take out as much stuffing as I can, but leave a little bit in here just in case. Like these pieces right here can stay in place. So this is what the bag looks like. Here's the leather. Really nice. Give y'all a side view. She also has silver hardware. She has a generous back pocket like all the Tabbies. You have your front pocket right here as soon as you open it up, and it says the Tabby bag, genuine glove tan leather. And then you have the first compartment behind that little slip pocket. Your main compartment, you have that center zip compartment that I wish they would get rid of, and then your back compartment. So there's plenty of storage in this bag. Now this particular iteration of the Tabby does not have leather interior, and that's the one thing I don't like about this bag. And the fact that this bag is kind of structured, those are to me the two cons of this bag, because y'all know the Tabby has evolved over the years, and the newer Tabbies that are all leather are softer and not as structured, and they also are leather lined, and I much prefer that version of the Tabby over this version. But I do like it, and this one is similar, I think, to my Sketch Tabby as far as the structure and the interior. So I'm gonna pull out the Sketch Tabby and compare. Yeah, see, the Sketch Tabby also is kind of structured. Let me take out all of this stuff though. I have my corner zip wristlet and my card case and my strap inside. But if I take out all of this stuffing, so it's kind of structured. But see, I feel like now I need to empty out the Love Leather Tabby just to see, because this one feels a little squishier when I take everything out. It's still more structured than the other tabbies that are leather lined. But as you can see, it does have a lot of give. But this one also has fabric lining. It has like a micro suede or microfiber interior. So let me just go ahead and empty this one all the way out so that I can see whether or not it has the same give as the sketch tabby, because that may be a deciding factor. I'm holding on to my original Tabby 26 in Oxblood because I love that color and it was my first tabby. But like I said, the tabby has come a long way since then, and every change that they've made since the original tabby, in my opinion, has been an improvement. And so I much prefer the newer versions. But when I empty out everything, we can take a look and see that this is structured, but it does have a lot of give, just like the other one. So we can go ahead and unwrap this completely, because now that I know it's not super hard, I'm definitely keeping this. So let's go ahead and get all this other stuff off so we can see what she looks like. So y'all know the Loved Leather comes with charms attached. And they are removable, but why? I don't know why you would want to remove them, because they look so nice on the bag, and they add a little extra razzle dazzle. And I especially like, well, let me shut up and get all of this wrapping off, and then I'll show y'all what I'm talking about. I'm sorry if I'm rambling in this video. It's early in the morning. I'm excited. Like I said, I've been holding on to these boxes for a day now, and I'm just talking like if y'all was here with me. But yeah, I do prefer leather lining in the tabbies. Since they started putting leather lining in the tabbies, that's all I want now. So unless it's something really special like this Love Leather edition, or like the sketch tabby, I won't be buying tabbies that aren't leather lined. Like Coach got me spoiled on that. All right, now we've got all this stuff out, so here we go. Just give y'all a 360. This is what the charms look like. So the charms that come on here, you got a clochette, you have a gold, like a feather. You have your leather chain with the hang tag, and you even have a metal rexy. So this is what the charms look like on here. Super cute. So you got your silver hardware, like I said. You can see the distressed look on this leather. Really nice. Better look at this back pocket. So this is a black microfiber interior, which I don't really care for this black either. I know like this black is probably going to attract lint. Like it'll be visible because this interior is so dark, but this is what she looks like on the inside now that I've got all the stuffing out. And then it does come with two straps, and here they are right here. So you have the short shoulder and then the longer crossbody strap. I think the short shoulder is a little longer than the short shoulder that came on the original tabby. Let me see. Maybe not. It looked longer, but let's just see here. No, I don't think it's longer. But this is the short shoulder, and this is how I would be most likely wearing it. Y'all know it's got to be a certain silhouette for me to be a crossbody girl. Right now, the only bags that I really truly enjoy wearing crossbody are the mini carries and the little, the mini Rowan. I mean, not Rowan, the mini city tote. Everything else for me is either top handle or shoulder bag. Here's the long shoulder strap. Very nice. The strap is super thick, and this is like really soft. It's not really hard, so you can see how bendable it is, which means if I did want to wear this on my shoulder with the longer strap, it would be comfortable. 7 adjustments, just like most of the Coach straps. And then the silver hardware. Okay, y'all. So I think now my loved leather collection is complete. I have 2 pieces from retail and 3 pieces from the outlet and a couple of SLGs. So that's all that I have for you today. I just wanted to come on here and do this unboxing. I thought it was going to be quick, but it took a little longer than I expected. So comment below. Let me know what you think about both of the pieces. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, if you're going to get it anyway, you may as well save a few coins. Talk to you later.